Level 8 Diploma in Strategic Management and Leadership Practice. Course Overview. The objective of the Level 8 Diploma in Strategic Management and Leadership Practice qualification is to develop strategic management and leadership skills, for managers have the authority and personal attributes to translate organizational strategy into effective operational performance. This qualification is suitable for mature learners, with a background in academic study or industry. The qualification has a clear work-related emphasis on practical skills development alongside theoretical fundamentals. The qualification will enable learners to become independent, self-directed learners with tools and motivation to continue learning, developing and reflecting on practice throughout their careers. Course objectives. 1. To enable learners to apply analytical and evaluative techniques to business in private and public sectors. 2. To enhance analytical and evaluative skills relating to business across a number of industries. 3. To develop the learner's ability to recognize and reflect on the process of personal learning and development, which facilitates the enhancement of key personal, sociable, and other transferable skills. 4. To develop the learner's ability to formulate and use appropriate methodologies and approaches. 5. To ensure the learner understands how to initiate, design and undertake research, development or strategic activities that extend or produce significant change in the field of work or study. 6. To ensure the learner can critically evaluate actions, methods, and results and their short and long-term implications for the field of work or knowledge and its wider context. Entry requirements. To be considered eligible for this qualification, applicants will need to meet all of the following criteria. 1. Provide proof of a relevant postgraduate degree. 2. Hold a master's degree or equivalent qualification in a business-related subject. 3. Have a minimum of 3 years relevant work experience. 4. Must hold or have held a position at senior management level, which is capable of supporting the achievement of the program learning outcomes, including the professional research project. Qualification structure. The Level 8 Diploma in Strategic Management and Leadership consists of 5 mandatory units and 3 optional units, making a combined total of 180 credits, 1,800 hours total qualification time and 900 guided learning hours for the completed qualification. Duration and delivery. The qualification is designed to be delivered over 18 months academic for full-time study, but it is also flexible in its delivery in order to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance learning and online training. For detailed information, call us on +92331 599 9937, +92321 505 6755, or WhatsApp +92331 599 9937.